Hello, this is a tutorial video on how to do patent searches using the USPTO.gov website. Actually, let's just go to USPTO.gov because it looks a little different. That was your products on Amazon or whatever platform you're using, Alibaba, what have you. This is a quick way to kind of get an idea if there have been patents filed or approved for said design, and usually there are not, but it's good to check. So, all right, search for patents. We're going to scroll down to, let's see, which one was it? Chelsea showed it to me one time.
I did quick scroll down.
Oh yeah, quick search, there it is. And then, okay, so once you get here, excuse me, you're going to type in a keyword. So let's use a very common one, spiralizer. So we'll just search and click enter, and then it'll pull up a list of anything that's been filed with those keywords. So here's the search results. So there's 2 patents that supposedly have been filed. So we would click like, handheld spiralizer. So let me actually an Amazon's example, so you have something to compare it to. Okay, so let's say, we wanted to launch, one of these spiralizers, okay? Cool, so let's go look at the patents and see if there's anything that looks like that product. So here's a list of all of the patents that have been filed, and I would just start with the most recent and then work backward. As you can see, I've already looked at some of these. So this one we'll start with, and it kind of just, you got to keep clicking through until you get where you're trying to get. So here I'm trying to get to, here's a bunch of text, and I'm not going to read any of this. I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom where it says images. It's not a very user-friendly website. It is the government. What else would you expect? Click on images, and it'll load up an image of the patent that was actually filed. So as you can see, this product is nothing like what we were considering selling, right? So I'm not concerned about this. There's no way this could have any effect on selling that. I'm not an attorney. Don't take this as legal advice. If you're nervous about it, you can download this patent and you can email it to your attorney and have them look into it for you. But if you're doing it on the cheap, you can just look at it and clear your conscience that way. Okay, so let's go to the next one on the list, moving up, going chronologically back in time. Vegetable peeler. I probably wouldn't even click on this normally because this isn't even if the title of the product that you're looking into or the patent really has nothing to do with what you're selling or potentially selling, then don't waste your time. But just for fun, so you can kind of see how this works, we'll go look at it anyway. And so this patent looks like
And you can go
that.
straight to drawings too.
Oh, you just click on drawings?
Yeah, and then that way you're just looking at the drawings to quickly eliminate it so you don't have to scroll through anything.
There you go. So there's one figure, all one of one, and it looks like a turbine engine of some kind. Let me ask you, does that look like that? Not so much. All right, let's not worry about that one. Let's go back to the website. Let's go, whoops, I backspaced by accident when I was trying to use my trackpad. All right, let's go back to this one. This is an ice shaver. I'm not even going to click on that. I don't want to waste my time. So close that one. Let's go back to 2008. This one is a shaping apparatus for fruits and root and tuberous vegetables. Don't really know what that is, but let's check it out. Okay, scroll down, click on images. I think you get the idea of how to do this, right? We'll just click on drawings so we don't have to scroll through their pages. There's your tuberous, what have you, Jigama watch it. Does that look like this? Nope. I think we're good to go. Cool. So we'll go back here, and you just repeat that process if you want, going back. I've never looked at this one. 2014. I guess these are not in chronological order. So, don't know what this is. Oh, I see. This is just a new one. Let's try that guy. Yeah, I don't know what all of this is, but let's try this one here. 2014. I'm trying to get to the gosh darn thing. Snap Fit Scoop Set. I'm pretty sure that has nothing to do with spiralizers, but might as well look at it anyway. As you can see, this is not a very time-consuming process. We're moving through these pretty quickly. Does that look like that? Sure doesn't. Close. Next. So that's as far back as I'm going to go for this search. Somehow I got to this funky screen here. Let's go back to this one. So you can go back and look all the way through 1898 if you want to. I think you get the idea. It's pretty straightforward. If you're concerned about any U.S. patents, like I said, download the document, send it to your attorney, and that should be all you need to do.